Hey guys, how's it going? How to generate creative poetry using ChatGPT. First of all, go ahead to your ChatGPT, right? And then what you're gonna do, just type generate creative poetry and select your niche, right? Let's say, for example, romantic romantic poem, right? You could just type creative poetry about love, for example, short, and you're gonna see right here the result, right? In your eyes the universe blooms, a quiet fire that fills dark rooms, in your touch that tear the stars align, a fleeting moment, a holy divine. Let love's whisper soft yet true, a boundless tide in shades of blue. In your embrace I find my home, a heart that the heart beats no longer alone. You can do that by writing different poems from different niches. So, for example, write a poem about survival. Alright? You can see right here. Beneath the weight of storm, we stand with trembling hearts in steady hand. The war may break, the skies might fall, but still we rise, defying it all. Through ashes thick, through darkened haze, we crave out paths in endless maze. Each scar a map, each tear a guide to show the strength we hold inside. Survival's fire burns ever bright, a beacon in an endless night. Through trials, fears, we learn, we grow, the seeds of life through hardship. So you can start do that by and start brainstorming ideas for creative poetry that you can use for your maybe next riz or whatever. So you can type that. You can ask ChatGPT to refine or create more poetry for different subjects. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.